Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand named Vaseline. This is their Advanced Repair Unscented Lotion. I paid $12 for this lotion and we get 600 ml product. This lotion is unscented, it's fragrance-free, essential oil-free, drying type of alcohol-free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is not paraben-free and this is not silicone-free. If you're going to use this lotion on your face, this is not fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, Vaseline is not cruelty-free. So this lotion has petrolatum, mineral oil, and dimethicone. All these ingredients, they lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. When I think about a lotion, I think about something that is lightweight, but this lotion is not lightweight. It's very moisturizing. It is also very hydrating, but very moisturizing. It's more like a cream in my opinion. This is not my first time purchasing this lotion. I purchased it many times before. In my opinion, this is one of the best body lotions out there. If you have really dry legs, you're going to love this lotion. If you have dry heels, ankles, knuckles, if your elbows are really dry and you have discoloration there, you're going to love this lotion because it's really moisturizing. If you have really dry hands, you're going to love this lotion. This makes your hands really soft and silky. In winters, my skin is more on the dry side. I use this lotion on my face in winters without any issue. I also use this around my eyes without any issue. You can use this on your face, but if you have acne prone skin, then I will definitely recommend you to avoid using this on your face because it's very moisturizing. In my opinion, not only this is a great body lotion for people who have really dry skin, but this is also a great moisturizer for your face. If you have dry skin, I think you will really enjoy this. If you have oily skin and if you don't like moisturizing moisturizers, then you're not going to enjoy this because it's very moisturizing. So I don't think people with oily skin, they're going to enjoy this. I think this is a better option for people who have dry skin. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.